So today I am going to fix the float in our water tank. It actually broke off. It's the ball and the arm came off from the valve itself on the tank, and it's a Jobe valve. So the great news is it has replacement parts. I don't have to go out and buy a whole new float system and take out everything out. I can just fix the arm and use the same valve and ball system that's there. And the even better news is I actually have extra parts on hand. So we'll change it now. All right, I'm going to fix this Jobe valve. It actually broke off. The nice thing about these valves is that you can get replacement parts, so you don't have to take out the whole thing. And you can just replace the parts that need to be replaced, which is pretty handy. So I'm gonna get to it now. So I already have the replacement part on hand, but what I'm gonna do first is actually attach the float to this, and then to the ball, and then, or the arm to the float, and then I'll put it on the valve itself. Don't mind my pink screwdriver. I actually got this as a joke for my sister. I think it was my sister or my mom. But I would never be caught with a pink screwdriver, but they are handy for the pasture, so I keep them in the back of my in my gator, so that way if I need to do repairs and I leave it behind, it's easy to find. So pink tools do have a bit of a purpose. All right, so next I'm going to do is take the screw and attach it back in here, and then I'll have to reset the actual float direction as well in just a minute. It's going the wrong direction. The good news is I don't have to change these very often. All right, just got to get that in. And actually, I am going to set this pretty high because we have a lot of young sheep and goats, and so the more full I can get the tank, the better it is for them to access the water. I think that's as high as I can get it. All right. So I will just get rid of these parts. I'm going to hook up the water from our seasonal water line to get this going. All right, so I'm gonna take these, and this is the key that goes to our seasonal water line, and we will just connect it in. You can see it's working again. And that's how we fixed our Jobe valve on our water tank. And if you're interested in learning more about our seasonal water line setup, just let me know in the comments below, and I can potentially share that in a future video.